There are two types of cellular division, mitosis and meiosis. In this video, we'll deal with mitosis. Mitosis is the way cells clone themselves. It happens through the 5 phases of cellular division: prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Now, cells need the correct amount of DNA packaged into them in order to work. This DNA commonly floats around in the cell's nucleus during interphase. However, at one point in interphase, the DNA replicates itself. Now we have 2 copies of the same DNA. This replication process is called the S phase, and takes place before mitosis. Through most of mitosis, the DNA forms chromosomes, 46 of them, 23 pairs. Chromosomes are extremely complicated, so here's a quick rundown. Yep, that complicated. You notice that each chromosome looks like a little X. This is from the duplication in the S phase. There are 2 chromatids, and the 2 are connected by a centromere. The condensation of DNA into chromosomes is called prophase and is the first stage in mitosis. In addition, 2 centrioles start to move toward opposite sides of the cell. Trouble is, the chromosomes are still stuck in the nucleus, surrounded by a nuclear membrane. That brings us to prometaphase. In prometaphase, the nuclear membrane disintegrates. The centrioles start to produce microtubules. What are these microtubules for? That's in metaphase. In metaphase, all the chromosomes line up on the metaphase plate. The microtubules extend and attach to proteins on the centromere. The mass of microtubules is now called a mitotic spindle and is ready for anaphase. Anaphase is when the real action begins. The microtubules begin to pull at the chromosomes, which split in half. Each centriole pulls all its halves toward itself. We're almost at the final step. It's time for telophase. This is where all the work we went through gets paid off. Watch this. The cell splits in half, a process known as cytokinesis. The nuclear membranes will grow in soon. Now each daughter cell has 1 full set of DNA, with no replications. So in review, in the S phase the DNA replicates itself. Then in prophase it combines into chromosomes, with each half containing 1 DNA copy. In prometaphase the nuclear membrane disappears and the mitotic spindle starts to form. In metaphase, the chromosomes line up on the metaphase plate. The mitotic spindle attaches. In anaphase, the mitotic spindle pulls the chromosomes apart. In telophase, the cell undergoes cytokinesis, splitting into 2 daughter cells. Well, I hope you have a good idea of mitosis now. See you next time on Science with Manny.